How to brighten up your life. Does your life seem like a dull rerun in which you do the same mundane things day after day? It's easy to start feeling down or low if you don't add spice to your life every now and then. Brightening your life can be a simple matter of doing something a little out of your norm. You can make your life much more satisfactory by changing a few elements of your daily living conditions, reaching out to others, and by figuring out your passions and working towards them. Part 1: Changing your everyday. 1. Create something. Research shows there is a direct link between creativity and happiness. Making something, anything, can lift your spirits and brighten your day. Create something that aligns with your talents. Whether you are a dancer, writer, or singer, you can always create a new story, poem, choreography, or song. It's like gifting a part of yourself to the universe. How could you not feel better after such an accomplishment? You can also challenge yourself to try something new. Find a DIY project on Pinterest. You can make jewelry, clothing, repurpose old furniture or appliances, or even bake a fancy dessert. 2. Add color to your life. If you look around yourself and see only neutral or dull colors, then it's no surprise you are feeling similarly. Try adding a brighter color each day when you get dressed. It can come in the form of a scarf, hat, or a full, blown yellow dress. Science proves that different colors actually have the power to boost your mood. Yellow and green make people happier. Red energizes. Blue calms. Choose a color and enjoy an instant mood change. If you're a color phobe as far as your wardrobe goes, then add a few choice pieces to your living space to impact your life. Select a bright pink lamp or that gorgeous painting of a sunset you've been eyeing. Each time you pass this vibrant piece, you'll feel a jolt of happy. 3. Get some sunlight. This may seem counter-intuitive, but one no-fail way to brighten your life is by brightening it literally with the sun. Sunlight can actually impact whether or not you're feeling the blues. Open the curtains or blinds in your home if you're there during the day to let natural light in. Have a seat on your patio or balcony and soak in some rays before your day gets started. Grab your sneakers and go for a walk outside. Not only will the physical activity boost your outlook, but being outside and exposed to sunlight may improve your mood and circadian rhythms. Walking outside delivers 3-fold benefits in the form of exercise, helping with your sleep cycle, and giving you the peace and serenity that being in nature can bring. 4. Be good to yourself. Constantly putting your own health and well-being at the bottom of your to-do list can drain you of energy and positive feelings. Treat yourself better, and you will undoubtedly feel better. Eat a clean diet of fresh fruit, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Avoid processed and sugary foods, which can actually rob you of energy and make you tired and cranky. Get plenty of exercise. Do whatever fits your lifestyle, whether that equates to a gym workout, running through the park, or walking with your baby in the stroller around the neighborhood. Just get your body moving and the endorphins will do the rest. Do self-care activities. Take time out of each week to cater to yourself doing something that gives you peace and relaxation. Run a hot bubble bath. Read an intriguing novel. Or have a dance party in your pajamas. Prioritize taking care of yourself and your life will seem much brighter. 5. Smile. Maybe you've heard the phrase fake it till you make it. Put this into practice by displaying an outward image of happiness. The law of attraction says, if you are open to them, good vibes will certainly find you. Wake up each morning and spend a moment smiling in the mirror. This may seem cheesy, but it affirms that you are happy with your appearance and confident. You will go out into the world portraying these traits. Be pleasant and polite to everyone who crosses your path. Smile at strangers. You never know, doing so just might brighten someone else's day. Part 2. Turning to others. 1. Socialize more. Life can start to feel drab if you wake up each morning, go to your job, and return at the end of the day for a long night of Netflix. Break up your routine by grabbing lunch with an old friend. Make plans to take your kids or nieces, nephews on an adventure over the weekend. Go to a party. Just spend more time with people that make you smile. Even if you are an introvert, engaging in a few select social activities with people who lift you up can be invigorating. Just be sure not to overdo it and schedule too many social events in a short period of time, or spend time around people who make you overwhelmed or anxious. 2. Get a pet. Adopting an animal is probably the easiest way of all to bring joy to your life with very little effort, minus regular health care, grooming and food. Studies show that people with pets in their homes enjoy a variety of benefits compared to those who have no furry friends. Having a dog or cat can lower the risk of heart disease, reduce stress, relieve depression, comfort you during sad times, and force you to be a bit more active. 3. Help another. Your life may feel drab when you focus too much of your attention inwardly. Take a break from all the introspection and focus your attention on others. This can completely transform your life and improve your outlook. Simply ask your loved ones or friends if there is anything you can do to make their day easier. Your friend may ask you to pick up the dry, cleaning, or babysit the kids for a much-needed date night. Whatever the request is, you'll feel great about extending a helping hand. Volunteer in your community. Tutor kids in a subject you excel in. Read to the elderly in a nursing home. Sign up to build a home with Habitat for Humanity. It could lengthen your lifespan. Research shows people who volunteered as little as 100 hours a year were 28% less likely to die than those who did not offer their services. Part 3. Figuring out what you want. 1. Make a list of goals. Write down a few objectives you'd like to accomplish in the next 12 months, 18 months, or 2 years. Think broadly pertaining to your career, health, relationships, and living situation. Aim high, but also make your goals reachable. Those who are ambitious report greater satisfaction in life. Not setting the bar high in your life can lead to dissatisfaction. Really think about some major things you'd like to be doing in the next year or so and create action steps to get there. Goal setting helps you to clarify your focus in life and allows you to assess your progress over time. Plus, when you set goals, you have a better understanding of whether your everyday actions are moving you closer to reaching them, or if you need to change some habits. 2. Construct a vision board. Sometimes, your life can feel lackluster because you have no clear vision of what accomplishing certain goals will look or feel like. Look over your list of goals and search for images and quotes that portray these dreams. Tack or tape them to a board and hang it on your wall for greater motivation and direction in your daily life. Vision boards can cover one theme like earning a graduate degree or buying a house, or be widespread and cover all areas of your life. Find creative images that evoke emotion and really encourage you to make the necessary moves to accomplish these goals. 3. Explore. Maybe your life has been feeling less than satisfactory because you are not doing what really drives and thrills you. Sometimes in life, you make a choice at one point but later need to evaluate if you are really where you want to be. What would you be doing if money wasn't a factor? That's probably your true passion. Take some classes in various trades and industries to see if you discover a new passion. You don't have to enroll in a for-profit college or university to explore other career options. There are a host of courses you can take online for free. Maybe your life has been feeling less than satisfactory because you are not doing what really drives and thrills you. Sometimes in life, you make a choice at one point but later need to evaluate if you are really where you want to be. Warnings. If no matter what you try you continue to feel low and hopeless, you may be experiencing clinical depression. Reach out to a therapist who can help you develop healthy coping strategies to manage these feelings. Click here for signs of clinical depression.